Hi, welcome to our channel. I hope you guys doing well. Today we are going to learn about distributed computing and enabling technologies. We are going to learn about what does distributed computing means and how we know this is distributed or not, and also we are going to learn some technologies which helps to enable these features. Let's begin. Let's understand distributing computing. A distributed computer system consists of multiple software components that are on multiple computers but runs as a single system. The computers that are in a distributed system can be physically close together and connected by a local network, or they can be geographically distant and connected by a wide area network. Here we are going to learn few more points. Distributed computing refers to a system where processing and data storage is distributed across multiple devices or systems rather than being handled by a single central device. In a distributed system, each device or system has its own processing capabilities and may also store and manage its own data. These devices or systems work together to perform tasks and share resources, with no single device serving as a central hub. One example of a distributed computing system is a cloud computing system, where resources such as computing power, storage, and networking are delivered over the internet and accessed on demand. In this type of system, users can access and use shared resources through a web browser or other client software. There are several key components of a distributed computing system: devices or systems, network, to communicate and exchange data, resource management. A distributed system can consist of any number of possible configurations, such as mainframes, personal computers, workstations, microcomputers, and so on. The goal of distributed computing is to make such a network as a single computer. Characteristics of distributed computing: multiple devices or systems, peer-to-peer architecture, shared resources, horizontal scaling. Advantages, disadvantages of distributed computing. Advantages of the distributed computing system are scalability, reliability, flexibility. There are a few limitations to distributed computing system: horizontal scaling, peer-to-peer networks, distributed architectures. Enabling technologies of distributed computing, scalable computing over the internet, technologies based on network-based system models for distributed cloud computing, software environments for distributed systems and clouds, performance, security, and energy efficiency. I really hope you enjoy this video. If so, please hit the like button, share it with a friend so that he can benefit as well, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about other topics, check out our playlist. Thank you.